How you doing, Mr. Homeowner? My name is Wally with ABC Heating and Cooling, and I'm very excited to be here today. Just wanted to let you know that we are one of the best companies in town, maybe even the biggest company, depending on the size of your company, but we are one of the best companies in town. And the reason we're one of the best companies in town is because of a series of guarantees that we offer that absolutely guarantee your satisfaction in this job. And I'll talk to you more about that later, but these guarantees are the hallmark of our company. Now, I've been with ABC for about 5 years, and I can tell you, Mr. Homeowner, I could work pretty much anywhere I wanted to in town. I'm one of the most in-demand technicians in the city. But I choose to work here at ABC because of the way they take care of their customers and the way they take care of their people. So I'm really excited to be here. So again, that's your introduction and credibility statement. It took about 30 seconds. But let them know specifically you're one of the best because of your service guarantees, whatever those are. You'll explain them in more detail later, but let them know you have a series of guarantees that protects them. Whatever your guarantees, whether it's a buy-it-back guarantee or just a satisfaction guarantee, a quality guarantee, whatever it is, just let them know you have a series of guarantees designed to protect them. And you'll talk about more about that later.